Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you might be wondering how to move your HNT tokens from Binance to your Helium wallet, especially with the latest updates for 2025. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this step by step in a simple, straightforward way. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Helium. You'll also need your Helium wallet address handy, as that's where the magic happens. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section. This is usually found in the top menu. Click on it and select Spot Wallet, or Funding Wallet, where your HNT is stored. Next, find the Withdraw option. It's often right there on the main wallet page, so click that to get started. Now, in the Withdrawal section, search for HNT in the Asset drop-down menu. Once you select HNT, you'll need to choose the network. For Helium, make sure it's set to the Solana network, as that's the one compatible in 2025. Double-check this to avoid any errors. Enter your Helium wallet address carefully. One wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Then, input the amount you want to transfer. Remember, Binance might have minimum withdrawal limits, so keep that in mind. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and any network fees. Fees can vary, so it's smart to check current rates to avoid surprises. Once you're good, click Withdraw and follow the on-screen prompts for verification, like two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, always a good idea in crypto. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop over to your Helium wallet app or website and refresh to see your HNT arrive. And there you have it. That's how you transfer HNT from Binance to Helium wallet in 2025. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support on either platform. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.